Coming to the showroom since 2016. Earlier, I was driving a XV500. Now I'm driving a Thar Rocks since last 1 year. So I'm very satisfied with the services, staff, the ambience of this workshop. Even though everything is very nice, the staff is very polite, decent. The facilities are very nice. Now, right now, they have decorated their this workshop as a Valentine. I guess Valentine, some theme is like Valentine. It is very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.